I'm going to Ulta today. I feel like I'm finally growing up because I'm going to Ulta to find my first tinted moisturizer. I don't use any concealer on my face. I was playing around with like eye corrector and concealer underneath my eyes, and I feel like it doesn't really come together unless you have like a full like face correction. So I am going to be going to try to find my shade. I have been there multiple times and I get overwhelmed every single time, and there's never anyone available to help. Today I am determined to find my color and walk out with a very lightweight concealer moisturizer, something very light. So if you are a makeup girly and you have some expertise in that department, please drop a comment. Let me know what brands I should start looking at. I don't mind spending a little money, but I also want to keep it affordable because I don't know if I'm going to use it. I get very overwhelmed with makeup because then I realize you need good makeup brushes for application, and makeup brushes are really expensive. So I don't know, but I feel like I'm finally growing up, and that's really exciting for me. I think skincare was definitely the gateway to self-care for me. So my skin it's not 100% giving, but we're gonna be a little forgiving because I'm on my period again. So, but I am super excited. I love going into Ulta. There was actually something else I felt like I was going in there for. Every time I go in there, like I said, I get super overwhelmed. I'm always looking at all the skincare lines. I do own a small business, and we started with body care, and I am expanding into facial skincare, and so I'm super excited. I'm always inspired. I'm always looking at what people are doing, what people are loving, what people are buying, because I want to have a great cosmetic line. So that starts with really looking at my audience and also figuring out what I love, which is why I started my UGC journey. It's allowed me to try out so many new cosmetic lines and really figure out what I love and what I want to bring to my line. So make sure you drop a comment. Let me know what concealers or tinted moisturizers I should be looking at, and then I'm going to let you know what I got.